Carleigh Jackson. I'm from Victory Christian Academy, and I will be demonstrating a scientific concept for my biology class. To demonstrate this, I will be using glasses, water, and food coloring. The food coloring is used to show the different water levels. As you can see, I have several glasses filled with water at different levels. The glass creates a sound when you rub your finger around its rim. This sound is created when the vibrations of the glass affect the air inside the glass. When a glass makes a noise, the edges of the glass move very quickly. These rapid vibrations in the glass cause the air inside the glass to compress and expand in waves. These waves of air pressure are what we know as sound. With our musical water glasses, when there is more water in the glass, the pitch of the sound is produced lower because the water has caused the glass to vibrate slower. When there is a smaller amount of water in the glass, the pitch is higher because the glass is vibrating faster. Let me demonstrate. Notice that this glass has a large amount of water. Now notice that this glass has a small amount of water. Can you hear the difference? Again, as you can see, the water levels determine how fast the glass vibrates, which also determines the pitch of the sound. To end my science demonstration, I have prepared a short song. See if you are able to recognize it.